Okay, today we've got a 1960s style Royal Safari typewriter. Super beautiful typewriter. Uh, really well maintained. This thing is immaculate from what I can tell. I mean, maybe a couple tiny little scuffs or something on the top. Anyways, got this typewriter in. It really doesn't need much cleaning. It's actually got a really cool old style ribbon which still works. So I'm just going to leave it in there. It actually has pretty dang good, what's it called, ink left in it. So yeah, this thing is really sharp. I've had a couple of these come in, and they just are they're kind of just beasts. They seem to last a long time. So it does have a couple little stickers. This has somebody's address. So if you want to send them a letter and say, hey, I got your old typewriter, that'd be funny. I'm going to leave all the stickers on there because I think they're cool. Weatherford is on here. And yeah, just a good looking thing. What's cool about this one is it's got tons of paperwork. Obviously, it's got a case. The paperwork is really neat too. What I thought was cool is this. Everything's a little too bright, maybe. Hold on. Try to make this slightly darker so you can see what I'm talking about. Is it too dark? It's fine. I like this. So in it, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but in it is a receipt for a repair back in 1964 for $114. So that's just, I don't know, and all it says is Royal Part. It does say the serial number, which is, I guess, SA5 237363. 23763. I don't know why it says SA5. I think on the actual thing it says SA6. Yeah, SA6 is what the actual number is. Anywho, just to give you a little bit of a rundown on this thing, I'll stop talking and just show you the thing. Has a few interesting things with it. One of them is the magic margin button. Basically, you can go anywhere you want and then tap this button and it'll put the margin there. So now that's where the margin is. I mean, it's just a gimmicky thing in my opinion. Doesn't really do a whole lot, but it works fine. So if I want to get out of it, I think I have to hold the margin, go all the way over, then you can move it back. Same thing on the right side. Margin over here. I need to make sure. Margin over here. If I want to move it, I can just hold this and go anywhere I want. Then the margin's right there. Boom, boom, boom. To get out of it, I believe you can hold that plus the carriage release and move it wherever. So now the margin's going to be down there. I'm assuming you could also hit margin release and go past it too that way. Sure enough. Yeah, everything works. Touch release or touch controls over here. Light, medium, hard. I'm soft fingers, so I always go light. You've got magic column set. So instead of it calling it tabs, it's called a magic column set. So everything's magic. Magic margin, magic column set. Very magic. But the magic column set is a tab set. So if you wanted to set a tab, you can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Set the tab 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever. And then your tabs are going to be right at that spot. So once again, also it's called column instead of tab. But that's where the tabs are. If you want to release them, you go in and hit column clear whenever you're on a column. Clear. And then it'll go all the way over without having anything. I hardly ever use tabs, but they're there if anyone needs them. You've got black, stencil, red over here for the thing. Black works fine. Then red works good. And I can't believe how good this ink looks after all those years, so I'm leaving it in there because it's cool anyways. I've never seen an ink cartridge like this. Yeah, you've got your shift lock, backspace, everything works fine. And that's about it as far as showcasing what's on there. I don't think there's anything else. It does not have bunny ears. And this is where you would put your paper. You can slide that around too. Here is your carriage. I forget what that's called. Carriage release, or not carriage release, but paper bale release probably. That way you can move it around however you want. Then it's also got, I guess, this over here is so it doesn't click whenever it rotates. I don't know the right wording for these things. I'm sorry. I probably should. You've also got one, looks like one space, 1.5 space, 2 spaces. So kind of a different thing versus 1, 2, 3. You got 1, 1.5, 2 spaces. And yeah, that's about it. Really plain Jane. Just an overall good one of these. I've already sold one to somebody and they never had any complaints. They liked it. It's not the best feel, but it's fine. I mean, I'm not very good with these old typewriters. I prefer an electric, so, but they're cool. I mean, it'd be for small poems, or if you're a keyboardist, then you'd be rocking it out. So I'm gonna go through all the letters real quick, show you those, and letters and numbers, even though I've already done it, but I'll do it again. And I have it on the red setting, so, and now I'm gonna do caps lock. And there you go. I'll take pictures of these and show them, but everything works perfectly. Lines are straight, everything's just, I think this person just really took care of this thing. I think it was a one-person owner, and it would be hilarious if somebody sent him whatever, I'm not, a letter in the mail. So yeah, that's it. Royal Typewriter. This is a Safari. It is gorgeous. Just a really pretty color, kind of an old classic, almost 60s vibe, in my opinion, kind of spacey. And yeah, Royal just makes great equipment. So if you have any questions or concerns, give me a call. That is, or well, send me a message on Etsy or whatever, or eBay, or not eBay, excuse me, YouTube. Anyways, guys, enjoy your day. I'll talk to you later. Peace out.